Hello everyone, let's talk about the NEMIX RAM 128GB DDR5 kit. This kit is designed to boost your desktop PC's performance, and it aims to do so with a substantial 128GB of DDR5 memory, spread across 432GB sticks. NEMIX RAM focuses on providing high-quality memory solutions, and this kit seems to fit that bill. It operates at a speed of 4,800 MHz with a PC5-38400 rating, which should offer a noticeable improvement over slower DDR4 modules, especially in memory-intensive tasks. The kit features a CL40 latency, which is fairly standard for DDR5 and operates at a safe 1.1V. The 2RX8 configuration indicates that these are dual-rank modules, which can sometimes offer better performance than single-rank modules, depending on the system's memory controller. The unbuffered UDIM design means this kit is intended for desktop PCs, and it's specifically listed as compatible with the ASUS ProArt Z790 Creator Wi-Fi motherboard, which is a good sign for compatibility with modern high-end systems. One of the key selling points of NEMIX RAM is their commitment to quality and support. They position themselves as specialists in both standard and ECC memory, suggesting a deep understanding of memory technology. The lifetime replacement warranty is a significant advantage, providing peace of mind for users who want to ensure their investment is protected. Installing RAM is generally a straightforward process, and NEMIX RAM emphasizes the ease of upgrading memory. However, it's always crucial to consult your motherboard's manual for specific instructions and compatibility guidelines. For content creators, gamers, or anyone working with large datasets or demanding applications, 128GB of DDR5 memory can be a game changer. It allows for smoother multitasking, faster rendering, and improved overall system responsiveness. NEMIX RAM aims to deliver this enhanced performance with a reliable and well-supported product. If you're looking for a reliable memory upgrade, this NEMIX RAM kit might be a very good option.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.